Alright, we're at some apartment building in downtown Arlington Heights, and look at this. 80s Westy. See if the metro train waits before the elevator arrives. Probably not. There's good old Metro. As you can see, despite the modernized chimes, and Ford again, no, I think that might be original. I think these are from the late 80s. These are original. Oh, fuck. Let's go to G. Oh, well. He's love to be a bitch. Here we go. There's the other elevator. Are you here? 11? Here we are at 11 again. And, we... motherfucker. Alrighty, Westinghouse door rudeness test. I guess that's the door opening. I guess it's on the universal controller. I'm assuming the indicator is original. I think these are from the, as I said, these are probably from the mid to late 80s. Let's send this up to 6 and we'll get the other one. There's the third one. Ooh. But unfortunately, this one's for the, I don't know what you think. It's only reserved for special ones. Here she comes down. These are them. This is obviously been replaced. Come on. Poster. While we wait for this motherfucker, here's a club room. It's a real man's club. Alrighty. Hello. You're also original. Except for you. £2,500 capacity, by the way. Oh, me. Well, that's just the ADA. Maybe the controller might have been replaced. I don't know. You be the judge. There it goes, and that's it. See you on the